everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I do hope that I have this whole canvas in the frame here. This is a 10 by 20 canvas, and I already have it flooded in white. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour today, and I have all greens. I have 6 greens, and they were all shown in the beginning of this video. I have 1 gold, and I have 1 iridescent green by Sonja. This is going to be a beautiful Dutch pour. Hopefully it's something you haven't seen before. I'm going to put all my colors down here, and then I'm going to give you some surprises along the way. I'm going to I had the paint here. I'm going to add some pretty little embellishments for St. Patty's Day. So let me begin. And I'm thinking which should be my bottom, because we need to have the blow dryer reach. I had a problem yesterday reaching my blow dryer over. Well, let me start here, and let me start, I guess I'm going to start with my darkest color. And as I do them, I'll just move them out of the way. And here's my next darkest. This is the Hooker Green. And this is a Blick Fluorescent Green. And this one is, this is Liquitex light green permanent. And this is my own green that I mixed up. This is Arteza Gold mixed with Liquitex, Iridescent Gold ink. And this here is an iridescent green from Sonja that I thought would look kind of pretty. Throw that all in, all around. Okay. All that. And let's throw this white along the top. And now let's hope that my blow dryer reaches today. beautiful. Kind of what I expected. Yeah. Got some beautiful cells in there. I would have liked a little more of the darker green. I should have put a little more of that in. Sorry, I didn't put more dark. Kind of see that vein coming in over here. But I'm interested in adding a few little things in here. On my own. I don't know if I actually even want to touch this one because it's so pretty. I don't want to touch this one. I'm going to leave this one alone. And make my little flowers on another one. This does look quite pretty just the way it is. So for this piece right here, oh, I can't reach over there. I gotta reach with my straw. Lift that. I think I'm going to leave this one alone. I actually think this one is perfect the way it is. I hate to ruin it. So I'm just going to leave this as is. Yeah, I'm going to leave this Dutch pour the way it is. I'm going to ask you for a thumbs up. Thank you for coming. I'm going to use these colors in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this pour. I know I did. I'll list, actually in the beginning of this video, there was a list of all the paints used, but I will list them down below also. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. And please be safe out there. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off now. Bye-bye.